Hello and welcome to the weekly news update here on Cryptotvplus, the 11th of October 2023. I'm Nike Oshunniyi and these are the headlines. Central Bank of Nigeria, eNaira no threat to financial stability. SBF's lawyers ask court to allow introduction of Anthropic evidence. Securities regulators oppose special treatment of crypto in Coinbase case. Brazil's Congress puts Binance CEO CZ in crosshairs for indictment. Upcoming events and more to come. But quickly on the market trades today, Bitcoin is at $27,000, Ethereum is at $1,500, BNB is at $207, Solana is at $22, and the dollar to naira rate is at 1,000 to $1. Now let's get you updated on the crypto weekly news. First off, the Central Bank of Nigeria, CBN, had to publicly insist that its eNaira project, one of the world's first operating central bank digital currencies, CBDC, doesn't threaten the country's financial stability. The October 9th press release from the CBN came in response to news items on some media platforms suggesting that the eNaira threatens Nigeria's financial stability. Some news pieces, such as one published in a daily Nigerian newspaper, Punch, point to CBN's recently released report titled Economics of Digital Currencies, a Book of Readings. In the report, CBN experts highlight the gradual rise of eNaira adoption marked by a 0.2% share if compared with the Nigerian bank's liquidity. They also admit that the funds held by citizens in the eNaira wallets can't be used by commercial banks. The very hypothetical threat that could arise from this observation is the lack of liquidity suffered by the banks in the case of total adoption of eNaira. However, such fear is one of the fundamental theoretical aspects of the discussion about any CBDC, of course. Next up, in a motion filed on the 10th of October, Sam Bankman-Fried, SBF's lawyers, requested that the court allow for the introduction of evidence supporting positive investment outcomes, such as an investment in the artificial intelligence AI startup Anthropic. This comes after United States prosecutors filed a request on the 9th of October to bar Sam Bankman-Fried's legal team from making any arguments related to FTX customer funds recovery through the Anthropic investment. Bankman-Fried made a $500 million investment in the AI startup in April 2022 before the exchange's collapse. The U.S. Department of Justice (DOJ) is set to give evidence that the investment was made using fraudulent funds from customer deposits. However, lawyers attest that the government's position miscast the relevance of the evidence and respectfully ask the court to deny the government's motion. They continued to point out that the government had raised Alameda's venture investments multiple times during the trial and argued they were risky and losing money. In response, the defense should be permitted to introduce evidence of positive investment outcomes, which of course is Anthropic, of such venture investments. More interesting news, as a body representing North America's state securities regulators took aim at arguments made by cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase in its defense against the SEC. Digital assets should not be seen as somehow special, nor should action against Coinbase be seen as novel or extraordinary, argues an association of North American securities regulators. In an October 10th filing in the United States District Court for the Southern District of New York, supporting the United States Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC), the North American Securities Administrators Association (NASAA) argued that digital assets need not be given any special treatment when it comes to applying securities laws. So to close up the news today, Brazilian Congressional Committee has recommended local law enforcement move to indict Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao and the three other Binance executives following a probe into financial pyramid schemes in Brazil. On the 10th of October, the committee released a 500-page final report accusing Zhao and local Binance executives Daniel Mangabeira, Guilherme Haddad Nazir, and Thiago Carvalho of fraudulent management practices, operating without sufficient authorization and offering securities trading without approval. In the report, the committee, led by Deputy Ricardo Silva, claimed that Binance, Zao, and others set up an opaque network of legal entities, all controlled directly or indirectly by Zao without defined business purpose and with no other purpose than evading compliance with the law. The report also recommended the indictment of 45 other people, citing strong evidence of alleged participation in criminal schemes, with those named linked to multiple crypto companies, including the travel firm 123 Millers, the crypto scheme 18K Ronaldinho, and others. Finally, on blockchain events to come, Future Blockchain Summit live in Dubai Harbor, Dubai, UAE, from the 15th to the 18th of October. The Future Blockchain Summit is a 4-day summit that will be the premier Web3 event in the MENA region in 2023, covering various aspects of blockchain, cryptocurrencies, NFTs, metaverses, and GameFi. Summit guests will be invited to participate in a variety of activities, including fundraising, pitch sections, and educational masterclasses, and meet with industry leaders, innovators, and like-minded individuals in an informal setting. Future Blockchain Summit 2023 welcomes industry leaders, crypto enthusiasts, and all interested parties to join the discussion on the endless possibilities of the Web3 industry. And that's it for the weekly news update here on Cryptotvplus. For more market updates and all the happenings captured in the world of blockchain and cryptocurrency, visit our website cryptotvplus.com, and also follow us on our social media platforms, of course, on Facebook and X at CryptoTVPlus, on Instagram and Threads at Official CryptoTVPlus to get daily from our programs. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the notification button as well. And just in case you have questions regarding any of our news at all, join me in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. I'm Nike Oshunniyi, and I'll see you next time.